What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good afternoon and welcome to this video about GMX, the main token, or you could call it the main token of the GMX decentralized trading platform. I think that's the best way to say it, the biggest decentralized trading platform out there right now. It's a perpetual exchange, all right? A decentralized perpetual exchange, just to be clear about that. Amazing volume, amazing open interest, and they're raking in a lot of fees every day. So it's really a profitable platform. Has also been relatively bullish over, for example, the last month. As you can see, we have been bullish. We have dropped down due to some other fundamentals as well, but overall have been bullish. It was just that here with the interest rates and the inflation rate, we were bearish, but. Doesn't matter, volume is relatively low, but it has dropped down significantly as well, and the volume for GMX usually has been pretty low. Alright, so that's the thing. It has been relatively bullish, definitely over the last 3 months. It's also built on Arbitrum, which is a very trending blockchain right now. And some more, if you want to know, some more fundamentals about GMX you can find right here if you launch the app. I think this is valuable. If you are interested in GMX, then I think this is valuable. I'm actually not sure the ecosystem. Yeah, if you go to stats.gmx.io, you can actually view the stats. And for example, what you can view is the fees, which is basically what they're making, which is quite a lot, as you can see. They're making like 300,000 up to 650,000 a day in fees, which is amazing, and a profitable platform keeps existing, right? It's just not something I would invest in, because the mechanics behind it are quite difficult, and I will never invest in something I don't understand. So maybe I should try to understand it, but that's just how I feel about it. So that's my opinion. Obviously, if you do invest in it, there's nothing wrong with it, because we can all see that it definitely has potential. But yeah, if we then take a look at the technicals, because that's obviously one of the main reasons why you're here. What you can see is that we were actually very strong. Basically, shortly after we were listed on Binance, we first dropped down a little bit as expected, and then ever since like FTX, we were very bullish. Had some major bullish breakouts. And then, as I said, Tuesday, Wednesday, when the whole interest rate happened and the monetary policy didn't change, then we had some bearish breakouts. First through $52 bearish breakout, then through $50 bearish breakout, and then through this level right here around $48 bearish breakout, which is now our main resistance level, and also the main point of this analysis. Because right now, what you can see is that for the last like 2 days, we've been very bullish, but the biggest resistance level we have is right here between, like, if I would have to like visualize it for you a little bit more, then this is it, between $50 and $48, and that's a tough resistance level to break, and I don't think we're going to be able to break above that all at once. I think we can actually break above that, but what we would need to do then, and we're going to see very soon if we can do that or not, what's going to happen is we're going to get up there. If we can actually break above $48, then we'll get to $50, we'll find resistance there, it's too strong. You got that 100 EMA, you got the 302 FIB, and $50 is a big psychological resistance level. So we'll find resistance there, but then it gets interesting. If we find resistance there, drop back down to $48, and then can find that as a support, then I think we can actually break above $50 and continue our uptrend, all right, and get towards $54. That would be my first price target. But the chances of this, it's going to be tough. I mean, the market circumstances, as you all know, are not amazing. GMX is doing good, but still. So we really have to, first of all, break above $48 and then confirm that by finding support there. Because in one of these two cases, so if we find resistance at 48, so we don't even get above that, something like this, then we'll just drop back down, and then we'll drop back down to, I think, like 44, 45, consolidate, and we'll try again later, I think. But also if we get up to, oh, excuse me, that's a FIB. But also if we get up to $50, then drop down to $48 and don't find support there, it was just a fake out. Same thing will happen. We'll drop down to $45, $44, consolidate, and then try again later, as long as the market circumstances stay relatively stable. So yeah, it's we're going to have to wait and see. I really don't have a bias in this. I think it's unresponsible to have one in the case of GMX right now, but you can definitely, like depending on what's going to happen, you can definitely analyze it and use this analysis on creating a bias on what's going to happen next, or what's most likely to happen next. So that's my take on GMX for today. If you do have any questions, as always, let me know. But for now, enjoy your Wednesday. Take care and bye.